This is how you exactly trade on price action and only manage your trade on price action as well. No need to get in FOMO, no need for your emotions to control your trade. Each and everything I will discuss in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. So in my last video, I informed you all that the price of Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside in a straight line. We entered in this trade right here, and I told you all that there may be chances for a small correction towards the downside. If you see, exactly the price of Bitcoin got a support from my level at $65,300, exactly right here. So you see how important price action is, and I have not changed these levels at all. This is a very important support and resistance zone right here, from 65.3 to 68.8 thousand dollars level, and still my next target is here at $68,800, which is the top of this zone. If you look closely, the price did manage to come very near it but got rejected. It was because of profit booking, because most of the people are greedy and they are afraid. That's why they book their profits before they touch their main important resistance, even before the price touches their main important resistance. Well, I'm not against this scenario, because sometimes this strategy works and sometimes it's better to take your profits below the resistance level. But it's okay, I'm still in my trade and I'm waiting for the price of Bitcoin to come here exactly at this level, $68.8 thousand, because look closely. If I zoom out of the chart, you will see the price of Bitcoin is in a sideways trend like this. Well, it got a fake out from here and again entered in this zone. I already predicted this whole move, and now the next target for the price of Bitcoin is this level right here at $73,000 approx. This is the main target. So there are chances that price of Bitcoin will go at meet this target level. Also, as you already know, that currently my stop loss is somewhat over here. Right here is my stop loss. So if you see, look closely, the price of Bitcoin did manage to come all the way down till $63,500. However, my stop loss did not get triggered, because I knew that the price of Bitcoin is hardly to come till here, and the same thing happened. And this is how you place perfect trailing stop loss. Do watch my previous video if you want to learn how to do it, and please practice on your own and do not just blindly listen to anyone's signals or anyone's calls. Not even me, not even anyone. Practice and improve your trading by yourself. So currently the price of Bitcoin managed to get a support from 65,300, and now it is again heading way back up. And if you see the volume of yesterday's daily candle right here, look at this volume right here, this daily candle, very high volume. So this means still buyers have the potential, and yes, the bears are not able to enter the market, and still there is a huge potential left in the buyers that can pull the price up way across $70,000 mark. So yes, it is pretty bullish for Bitcoin, and I already told you plethora of times that if the price of Bitcoin pumps or dumps towards the one side, same thing will happen with majority of the other altcoins as well. And let me show you my trade update on Polkadot. I hope you remembered from my last video, and before ending my last video, I informed you guys that I will be entering in a trade on Polkadot. Right here I'm on the Polkadot's chart, and if you remember my previous video, I informed you all that I will be entering in a long trade on Polkadot, because currently the price of Polkadot is in a sideways channel like this, and this is a very important support and resistance zone for Polkadot, ranging from $5.68 to $5.8 level. And I told you all that if the price of Polkadot comes somewhat over here at this level right here, then I will enter in a long position. And if you look closely, the price of Polkadot exactly went all the way down till $5.56 level, exactly till here, and then it got a support from the buyers and closed the candle above this support zone. Well, the price of Polkadot, yesterday's candle closed above this blue zone. This means that there are buyers in the market and they are interested in pulling the price of Polkadot towards the upside. Well, I already entered exactly at this bottom right here at $5.56 approx, and obviously my next target is all the way up till here, which is at $6.48. This is my first target right here. So let's see if we are able to get this target or not. Currently the price of Polkadot is pumping because obviously Bitcoin is pumping, and the price action is also working pretty fine. If I zoom in, look at this right here, today's daily candle, and the volume of today's daily candle, as you can see, already surpassed yesterday's and way before, even the day before yesterday, total volume. So if you look closely right here, the total volume is $16,000 for Polkadot right here, and way above 11 and $8,000. So this is a very bullish sign. Let's see what happens. It all depends on Bitcoin only. If Bitcoin pumps, then it's very easy that the price of Polkadot will also pump towards the upside. So this is my trade update right here, and let me just manage my trade right here exactly. So my take profit is somewhat over here, and my stop loss that I am aiming is somewhat over here. Yes, let me just check back the history, and I'm doing this live with you guys, so do learn how I am placing my stop loss. I am looking right here. These are the levels where the price of Polkadot was last seen on. Well, the price of Polkadot was here also, near my level, but there is not much data. So I tried finding a level by using the past data, but I mean, of course I can find that, but I think it is the best time to actually use my one more, I would say, secret strategy to find target and stop loss levels for your trade. Okay, do learn it. So what I'll do is I have to find a level below my entry price, right? I have to find a level which will act as a stop loss for my long trade. This means I have to find a entry price which is below my stop loss point, which is below my entry price. So what I will do is I will draw a bullish Fibonacci level. Yes, so right here what I will do is I'll just take the Fibonacci tool from here, right here, and I will draw this right here. I will take this daily candle. Let me zoom in. So this is the yesterday's candle, okay, 25th of July. What I have done is I have drawn this Fibonacci tool from bottom to the top. This is a bullish Fibonacci tool drawing. If you draw from bottom to the top, it means you are finding the bearish levels. So I have drawn this, and the first level I got is 1.618. see right here, this is my first important level. Second level is 2.618, third level is 3.618, and then rest of the levels. And if you look closely, I already placed my stop loss right here. Well, it is because of experience and practice, and yeah, approximately it is nice. Let's do it somewhat over here. Okay, perfect. So always remember that 1.618, 2.618, 3.618 are the important levels for the Fibonacci. And if you look closely, this is the 1.618 level. So I will never place my stop loss or take profit exactly at this level. I will place it slightly below or slightly above it. Why? Because there are chances that price of Polkadot can come exactly at this level and get a support. So if I place my stop loss exactly at this level, then my trade will get exit in loss, and then it will go towards the upside. So there is no point. It's better to place your stop loss a little bit lower, so that even if the price comes exactly at 1.618 and gets a reversal towards the downside, towards the upside, still my trade will be running. So yeah, this is a live how to find stop loss and take profit using Fibonacci tool. And yes, my current stop loss is at 5.385. Let's see what happens. This trade can go anywhere, so yeah, this is pretty much it. This is a 1:5 risk to reward trade. At the end, I just want to share you guys my ZAG USD trade. If you follow me on my Twitter, I already informed you guys that I will be entering in a long position on ZAG USD, which is silver. I am going long is, first of all, as you can clearly see, this is a very important support zone right here and resistance zone for the price of ZAG USD from $28.35 to $27.9. This is a very important support zone. Well, if I look closely, the price did a breakdown, but I think this will act as a fake out, like it happened in the price of Bitcoin. There are chances that right here also this is a fake out and the price can again reverse towards the upside. Why I am saying that is because if you look closely, the price of ZAG USD is dumping towards the downside heavily for the past couple of weeks. If you look closely, back to back red candles, red, with huge volume. As you can see, there is not even one single day with less volume than that of the previous one. You can clearly see this means sellers are now, chances that sellers are now getting exhausted and bulls can get stimulated very soon. Also, if you look closely, this is the top right here, high, and then a lower low is made right here, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has been made. So there are chances that price of ZAG USD can reverse towards the upside to make a new lower high. Same concept that I used in the price of Bitcoin when predicting the fake out, same concept I am using here also. Does not mean that the price of ZAG USD will reverse towards the upside for sure, but let's see how this plays out. This is my simple analysis right here. Also, if I zoom back, you can clearly see this is the one more high of price of ZAG USD, high, lower low right here, lower high right here, and a new lower low has been made right now. So this is a very, I would say, a price level that I don't think the price of ZAG USD can go much lower from here. Yes, it can see a massive dump towards the downside, a last dump maybe that sellers push, but after that I'm pretty sure that the price of ZAG USD will push it towards the upside. So that's why I entered in a long position right here, and I will just adjust my tool also, long position tool. I entered somewhat over here, and obviously my take profit will be this level right here at $30, $30.9, because this is a very important resistance and support zone. So I'm targeting this level right here. Yes, for sure my next target will be this also. So yeah, and my stop loss, let me just find my stop loss right here. I can use again my simple stop loss and take profit finding strategy using Fibonacci tool. Same concept. I have to find a bottom target, so I will see a bullish candle. So wait a second, right here, this is a bullish candle right here. If you notice, in the polka dots price there was no bullish candle recently, I mean like 3 to 4 days ago. That's why I used a bearish candle to draw a bullish Fibonacci, but here I successfully found a bullish candle, so why not just draw the bullish Fibonacci on that candle only. So you see, if I make it clear, what I did was I marked this low and I marked this high. From low to high, I marked this Fibonacci of this green candle right here, and I got these levels: 1.618, 2.618, 3.618, 4.236. Well, obviously my entry price is this, so for me I think the best stop loss will be at approx this level right here, middle of 3.618 and 4.3236. and if you look closely, I did it exactly, not exactly but close. It is because of experience, and I'll place it somewhat over here. That's it, done. This is my trade. Let's see what happens. My stop loss is currently at $26.78, 1:3 trade. Let's see how this plays out. And yeah, I will inform you guys on my Twitter as well, so do follow me on my Twitter. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand the analysis on Bitcoin, Polkadot and Zag USD. It's all simple, it's all depend on price action, so do follow price action only. And the most important thing, I hope you learned how to find take profit and stop loss for any asset you want with the help of Fibonacci tool, and how to manage your trades, your winning trades, your losing trades when you enter a trade, how to trail your stop loss like here, and each and everything. And I hope you learned from it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the comments. It is a referral link, so if you want, you can create an account with that link. If not, then it's okay, no issues. And also, if you want to trade Zag USD silver, you can do that on Xness. Link of Xness is also in the description. And same, if you want to use it, you can. You will get some deposit bonus. If not, then it's okay, fine, no issues. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Do follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates.